In this video, we travel to Alleppey, India, famous for the idyllic backwaters and traditional Kerala cuisine. We also visit the beautiful Marari beach and go to an Indian amusement park.
This is our room. It was, it was 4,500 rupees about for 3 nights.
No, it's 35.
3,500.
But not just for this room, for Julia's room too.
Oh yes, for 2 rooms like this one. We have the balcony, a bit of a view outside. We're in Alleppey, India. Where the backwaters are. And it's a pretty nice day, so we're going to go find lunch.
So here we are at the beach in Alleppey, and we've been walking and walking, trying to find a decent, inexpensive restaurant. But it's Sunday, so we've got some tea, we've got some ice cream,
And strawberry ice cream.
and we're going to resume the trek very shortly. But first, we might see what they have over there.
I have a deep fried egg that we got over at this stand over here.
We also have chilies and cauliflower or gobi, and all of this was 70 rupees, so about $1.
Yeah, $1 for a bag of all the fried
Well, not full.
goodness. Well, not full, half full. So this is the back streets of Alleppey. It's very green and very interesting. Lots of houses, trees. One could easily get lost here, maybe. Coming out on one of the main streets. Lots of churches here. Idli, dosa,
We have vada.
vada, and some chutney. And some
Yes.
We're walking to the lighthouse.
So it looks like today they're closed because today is Monday. To get to the beach, you do have to cross the train tracks here and there.
close to the beach now. That's where the train comes through. And the beach is right down this way.
That's our ice cream.
Got sprinkles. These were 30 rupees each. We've got peanut
sprinkles.
butter, and what is yours?
Grapefruit.
Nope, not grapefruit. Try again.
Jackfruit.
Let's try.
We're taking the tuk-tuk to a beautiful beach.
We're at Marari Beach in Kerala, about 12 kilometers from Alleppey. It's pretty nice, lots of palm trees, lots of sand, some beach chairs with umbrellas. They wanted to charge us 150 rupees for 2 hours, so we decided we would, for 1 hour, sorry. So we decided we would set up camp on the sand here. So we're gonna do some swimming and relaxing for a couple hours, and then we're gonna take a tuk-tuk back to Alleppey.
We're going swimming.
Yay, swimming!
Leaving the Marari beach. There's some beach villas along the beach here. Path that goes through some of the restaurants. And it's really nice. We enjoyed it. The water was warm. And we're going back into the town. What do you have?
I have KULUKKI, and I think it has pepper in it.
Interesting. Do you like it?
And I have a ball of ice cream.
Yeah, I caught it when I was 2 here.
But it has lime, it has basil seeds, and some sort of orange stuff in it.
Got open.
And a lot of sugar. In Alleppey, it's a very nice place to watch the sunset. It's much cooler this time of day.
Yes, it's a very busy place usually, especially on the weekends. There's some vendors on the beach there selling all sorts of fried snacks, some ice cream and drinks, and lots of sand, and an old pier far in the distance where people like to gather. It's a very nice place. So we're at Amaze World, which is a Indian theme park. This is actually our third time here. Persephone really likes it. So we've been coming every night almost. Tonight I was flying the drone a bit and was told I wasn't allowed to fly here, and the videos had to be deleted, so that's a bit of a bummer. But that's just how it is, I suppose. Very pretty sunset. It's definitely an older theme park. It's definitely aged since we were here 4 years ago. Little ones don't seem to care. What are your thoughts on it, Bev?
I don't think the train is running anymore.
Yeah, they used to have a train here. But I noticed there were some holes in the fences so the kids could run on the tracks, so maybe that has something to do with it. The lady's still nursing the baby. Yeah, it's a fun place. I'm sure it won't be our last time. Maybe in 4 or 5 years we'll come back and do some more riding again. For now, I think we're just going to go ahead and enjoy ourselves. There's a food court here, which is pretty good actually. It has really good prices, which was surprising to me. You can get korma for like 60 rupees and chapati for 10, which is similar to outside. So it costs 35 for the 4 of us to get inside, which is about 50 cents, so that's not too bad either.
So we're eating at the food court in Amaze World. We have some veggie noodles.
It's a fair, it's a fair.
And we have some veg korma.
And pasta.
And yeah, we have chapati. We have biryani with papadums and
Paneer masala or kadai or
Kadai?
masala. Kadai.
Looks very good. How is it?
Good.
And one of these came with an onion salad,
Oh,
which
Salad
now
from
belongs to Sophie. We hope you enjoyed seeing Alleppey, India. Up next, we visit the Kerala Backwaters. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.